Loss of the cervical curve or cervical kyphosis. What is it? And have you been told you have it? And if you have been told you have it, are you actually getting specific treatment that has been shown to improve this problem? So first, let's just talk about cervical lordosis or kyphosis. So cervical lordosis is a gigantic neck, okay? This is the skull, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Obviously our neck is not this big. But a lordosis means the curve is going this way. So our cervical or our neck, as well as our lumbar spine, should have this curve. And a kyphosis is going the other way, meaning the thoracic spine. So if you lose this normal cervical lordosis, it can lead to problems. Now first, how do we know that the neck should have a lordosis? Well, that's been published time and time again of what is considered normal. Now, if you are diagnosed with an abnormal cervical curve or a loss of the cervical curve or even cervical kyphosis, how do we know that's a problem? Well, I'm going to put up here a bunch of studies that just kind of discuss how a loss of the cervical curve leads to decreased quality of life, how it leads to pain, how it can change the vessels and the vasculature of your spine. In fact, Katz Chiropractic and Rehabilitation Clinic is proud to also show you that the paper that we did here, published in the Journal of Brain Circulation, shows that an abnormal cervical curve can decrease blood flow to the brain by up to 220%. Now, there's a lot of providers out there that might x-ray you, and they may say, you have a loss of the cervical curve, we're going to fix that, but haven't gone through the appropriate channels of how to fix that curve. At Katz Chiropractic and Rehabilitation Clinic, we are certified in what's called chiropractic biophysics, which is the technique that has been proven in many, many studies and literature to restore the cervical curve. And that's what we do here. In fact, we do pre and post images on many of our patients, as well as seeing them improve. Now, why are we doing this? One, we want to minimize your neck from breaking down. An abnormal cervical curve is also linked to increasing arthritic changes. So by improving your curve, not only are we keeping your nervous system healthier, not only increasing the better balance of your spine so your body isn't working harder, we're also allowing better blood flow, better nourishment into the joints. So if you have been diagnosed with a loss of cervical curve and you feel like no one is really doing anything to address it, give us a call. This is one of the things that we specialize in our office and really take the time with all of our patients to sit down, go over what this means with you, and give you a specific treatment plan to ensure that we're doing everything we can to restore the shape of your spine and prevent it from getting worse. So give Katz Chiropractic and Rehabilitation Clinic a call, and either myself or my wife, Dr. Shauna Katz, will be more than happy to sit down and answer whatever questions you have and show you what we can do to help. Thanks so much.